If you don't like to host your community on a social media platform and are tired of people joining your group just to spam its members, this new ClickFunnels 2.0 feature is what you need. In this video, I would like to show you a ClickFunnels 2.0 feature called Community that was recently introduced to users. The community feature in ClickFunnels 2.0 has the potential to replace your Facebook group, for example, or it can be useful if you have a paid community and only users who are paying a monthly fee have access to it. But before we get to that, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button that you see below this video, and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content about marketing and funnels. Alright, let's create our community in ClickFunnels 2.0. If you don't have your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, you can find the link to a free trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you also will get our ClickFunnels 2.0 course for free as a bonus to help you shorten the learning curve with the platform. Go to the Sites, Community, and then click Add New Group. Give your community name. You can also set different permissions for your community. For example, hide the community from non-members or show only specific topics that the user has joined. And after you're done, click Create Group. In our community, we can create different topics, and the topics can be public, so everyone will see them. They can be private, only users who paid for the access will have access, or even secret. Let's create a few topics. One of them we will create as a public one, and the other one as a private topic. To do that, click Add New Topic, give it a name. If you need, you can adjust the URL, and which is also cool, you can already include an upgrade URL here. And as you can see from the description here, if somebody doesn't have access to this topic, they will be sent to this URL, and there they will be able to buy the access to this topic. You can add a card image or even an emoji. Let's select one. Further, we can manage access and permissions. Let's create this topic as an open one, and everyone in our community will see this topic. And in the permissions, you can select who will be able to create posts in this topic, and also if you want to hide the posts from the main feed. After that, click Create Topic. If you in the future want to edit the settings of this topic, you can do it by clicking on the icon here. And if you want to delete one, you can click on the icon Delete. Let's create another topic, but this time make it private. Click Add New Topic. Give it a name. Let's also select an emoji. And this time we select private in the access section. And as you can see, another option would be a secret topic, and it will not even be visible to non-members. Click Create Topic. And as a next step, we can create posts in our topics. For that, click on the topic name and then click Add New Post. Give your post a title, then add some content. You can also format the content the way you want. You can add an image to your post, select a contact from which this post will be posted in the group, and then add some SEO information if you want. You can also toggle this switch on if you want to pin this post, and after that you can click Create Post. I will discard this action for now. Let's just preview and see how our community with the topics that we created look. To do that, you should go back to the Community tab and then click View Community. By the way, the community is a part of the Customer Center in ClickFunnels 2.0. To open the community, click on the name. Here we have two topics. You can see that the one that we created as a public topic is available to join, and the other one is a private topic. And if I added the upgrade URL in the settings of this topic by clicking on this button, I would be able to go to the page where I could pay for the access to this topic. By clicking on the public topic, we will be redirected to the Customer Center login page, where we can either create our account or log in into the existing account and then view the post of this topic. Another important part of hosting your community in ClickFunnels 2.0 is the moderation, and this option is also available. To moderate the posts or comments, you should click on this icon, and then you will be able to see different categories of the content, like unmoderated content, disapproved or reported posts, reported comments in different places. And by clicking on it, you will be able to moderate them. Right now, I don't have any posts or comments that were reported, that's why we don't see anything here. That's basically it. As you can see, the community feature in ClickFunnels 2.0 allows you to better connect with your users or followers without using other third-party platforms. You shouldn't be scared that someone joins your space just to promote their own products and message your community members. And last but not least, you don't have any extra subscription fees, as everything is already here inside your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. I will see you in the other videos. Bye bye.